What is up, everyone? It's me, Lawan Concepcion, and I just want to vlog this day kasi medyo busy tayo for today's video. Wow, artista! So, it's currently 6 a.m. and we're preparing kasi I have two events na pupunta ngayon. First is may workshop ako sa Marikina Science High School ata. I think doon. Then may show ako na pupuntahan na magigitar ako. Tapos, so magkalayo yun, Marikina, and yung show is sa Fairview. So, good luck talaga. So yeah, we're preparing and paalis na kami. So, see you guys later. What is music for you? I don't know. Nag-speak ba siya sa'yo emotionally? Or saan ba?
Music is something that can parang calm me.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So that's one definition of music, di ba? Pero for me, personally, music is my way of expressing myself. Okay, if malungkot ako, I play sad emotional music. Or pag galit ako, medyo intense. Okay? Kasi music, by the book definition, is the art and science of sounds that are in time. Okay? So, let's clap, everyone! 4-4 ang time signature. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go! Ta 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 ta. Ti ti ta ta ta. Ti ti ta ti ti ta 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 ta. Ta ti 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 ta ti 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 ta ta ti 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 ta 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 ta. Okay, nakuha?
Invaluable membership and guidance in leading the Glee Club's first Project Crescendo, a testament to its dedication, talent, and commitment to excellence.
Diyan na lang. Thank you.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, ayan. So, dito na kami ngayon sa LRT2. Ayan. Lu. Dito kami ngayon sa LRT2. Papunta kami ng Fairview. Kasi pupunta na kami dun sa show, sa musical. So, ayan. Currently, it's 10:31 a.m. And I think mga biyahe namin maglalagpas ng 1 hour. Kasi babiyahe pa kami papuntang Anonas. And from Anonas to Fairview. Medyo isang oras ata kasi mag-jeep lang kami. Planan ko sana mag-bus para marami. Kaya lang, ang mangyayari sa Q-Off pa kami sakay. So from Marikina to Cubao to Q-Off to Fairview. So medyo hassle. Dito lang kami. At least from Marikina to Anonas to Fairview na agad. Diba? Dali lang. Okay, so see you there.
Tagal ng train.
Hello, everyone. So, I think
2 days na lumipas since yung last na clip na nakita nyo kanina before yung picture ng aming alaga na si Tom Tom. I wanted to make a vlog sana na pinapakita ko kung what is my life outside work. Ganun. So, kasi nung nagka-work ako, parang nagkaroon na ako parang nawala na ako ng time sa ibang mga bagay. And ang hirap pagsabayin lahat, which is why I'm trying to get back to my passion talaga, yung course ko, which is yung music, composition, and music production. So, although tumutugtog ako every Sunday, but still, I wanna have a job talaga na related talaga sa music. So, which is why kumukuha ako ng mga projects na ganon, or mga events na ganon. And thankful din sa mga opportunity, syempre, na binibigay sa akin ng mga kakilala ko. I wanted to make this vlog sana, or a mini vlog, parang masaya. Pero this past few days, including yung kay TomTom, ang hirap ma-maintain yung energy ko lagi. Na nakikita nyo sa mga vlogs ko, or me as a person din, ang hirap i-maintain yung joy na meron ako. It's been a challenging, I would say, past 2 weeks. And it's tiring at the same time. Tapos, I'm hoping lang na maging fulfilling din sa akin mga ganitong events. Kasi there's something na gumugulo sa isip ko. And it's been challenging both physically and mentally. I don't usually talk about my mental health because kinakaya ko naman this past years. And I'm just hoping and praying na everything will be back to normal, or everything will be okay. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll end the vlog here. Also, if mapapansin nyo kung bakit ganito yung edits ko, it's because I tried the new application Adobe Premiere Pro for mobile. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I just love Premiere Pro. Trinay ko mag-edit, and medyo mahirap kasi sa phone lang siya. Pero I think it's enough para sa kailangan ko para ma-achieve yung ganitong like basic editing, basic vlogging. So yeah, I think goods naman to. So yeah, yun lang. If you like what you watched, you can consider subscribing to my channel, and see you on my next one. Bye everyone.